Okay. So hey guys, welcome back to our another stream. Today once again we are live and we'll be trading gold, cryptos and other forex pair too. And right now I'm streaming at this time cause after I guess 15 minutes there would be fundamental news, right? Which would be releasing exactly at 6 p.m. IST. So let's do a quick uh, live trade, right? If we find a good trade setup, we'll take a fundamental trades today. Quick scalp. So before that, let me share that we are live. All right. So let's begin. So right now, in gold chart, we are observing price breaking above our very key point of interest zone, right? Which is our psychological resistance, which has now turned into a very important support, right? So this zone is around 3400. So if price gives a retest and I want to see some bullish engulfing candle forming in our 5 minutes time frame or 3 minutes time frame, then we might take a quick scalp trade. All right, and before that I want to know if the fundamental news, the which is gonna be released in 10 minutes, is negative or positive. If it's negative, well and good, we'll take a buy side trade. If it's positive, I need to see price break again below this and take a quick scalp trade to the downside, right? So let's patiently wait. And of course, due to interest rate being reduced, we can see bullish sentiment in the market, right? Creating higher highs, right? If you analyze as a simple market structure, you can see new highs are creating, right? Broke our previous high, created a new one, like that, and vice versa. And also gold is special, especially reacting from a key areas, key support and resistance, right? This support and resistance, this one, multiple. Okay, 10 minutes left. Let's check our fundamental website. Okay. Okay, in 8 minutes it's gonna be released, as you can observe right here. Our US prelim GDP, and most important is US unemployment claims. Okay. Let's patiently wait. In about 7 minutes, it's gonna be released. This one, this unemployment claims around 6 p.m. IC. Let's go. And before entering a trade, at least I want to see price reacting, reaching our key area. If I draw down to 1 minute, okay, well and good, I can see a particular demand zone, right? Good buying point of interest. Okay, 7 minutes to go, 6 minutes. If our if the actual is negative, then we might see gold pumping in the market, right? So the forecast is 231k. If actual is below this matlab, if it's less than this number, then yeah, the news would be negative and gold would be giving us pumps in the market. Okay, 5 minutes to go. Interesting. Right now, it seems sellers are taking control. Sellers are stacking at the highs, right? This may be a manipulation. If market gives a dump before a news release, definitely it would be a manipulation. Okay. See a lot of liquidity stacking. I think market is potentially gonna target those highs, leaving huge liquidity behind. Market could potentially target those, but at the end, it all comes down to the fundamental news. If it's negative, well and good. Okay, 3 minutes to go. Okay, let's quickly look into crypto. What's Bitcoin is doing? Okay, looks like Bitcoin is trying to break up of our overall downtrend channel, right, from the all-time highs. If it breaks above that retest, then we might see a bounce back. Right now it has turned into bullish, bearish sentiment to bullish, right? For now, let's observe in our crypto, gold. Okay, 2 minutes left. Looks like price is consolidating, right? After a fundamental news gets released, we might see a reaction to the upside or downside. So these are the breakout levels. Okay, 1 minute to go. Okay, 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Pending. All right. Okay, looks like market has given a breakout to the downside, but till now we are not getting the result. Maybe the news. Okay, okay, news is positive, which is not a good sign. Okay, unemployment claims is negative 2.229k, and prelim GDP is positive, and this is also positive. Overall is negative, so yeah, market is dumping. Something hard. Ooh, huge dump in the market, guys. Yeah, so the fundamental news that I was observing, overall it was positive, and if the news, if the US fundamental news is positive, then we might see gold dipping, and right now we are observing that, as you can see. Right now price is reacting from our key area. Okay. So much pump in the market. I think overall market would come down because it has left us a lot of liquidity. But right now price is reacting from our key area. I think price may eventually go more lower, and also price is heavily reacting from our psychological level. But let's wait patiently. Okay, we are seeing gold falling. Let's hope we see this momentum to the downside. It was a very quick movement, right? Let's once again look into the fundamental. Okay. Actually, this was positive. I think gold will give us a bearish momentum. So the forecast was 3.1% and the actual turned out to be positive. We are hoping gold to fall more below. I think market's gonna target those high strong lows. Beautiful, guys. Yep. If price breaks below this 3400 level, it's gonna give us a dump once again. Okay, let me just post that the fundamental news has turned to be positive and high chances gold is gonna dump more. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. I want to see price perfectly breaking below once again our very strong support, and again we're expecting a downside momentum. Maybe testing this level too. We can get some very good trades meantime, but I need a confirmation. But yeah, the overall fundamental news is positive, so definitely we'll be seeing bearish momentum, right? Because right now price also, we are noticing price is respecting this key support, right? And leaving high liquidity on top, which indicates like sellers, there are more sellers right now in the market. They want to sell, so they're leaving a lot of liquidity, which is people's stop losses and all those orders, right? You can see this volume, this is a volume profile indicator. It shows like where most of the orders are lying, right? See, we are seeing buyers stepping into, right, cause of this key level. Let's look into crypto. Okay, good, 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 good. Prices again broke above our resistance, trendline resistance. If price gives a resistance and key candle confirmation, we'll definitely see Bitcoin rising to the upside. Maybe test this level, right, which is 11414, or maybe this 116 level, which is a very strong resistance. Right now I would be staying flat if I want to take trades, cause I want to see price breaking below this level. Cause if you can observe in our recent price, multiple times buyers are stepping in, giving us a quick push to the upside, but sellers are still in control. But at the end, gold is always based on fundamental, right? If fundamental is positive, then we might see gold falling. And also we are seeing price breaking below this key level, rejected from this level, and again sellers stepping in. If price reaches here, we might take a quick trade. Quick one is to 1.5, right? Or else what we can do is that wait to break below this. But let's see. And it's very difficult to trade fundamentally, you know. Sometimes you have to be you have to predict, right, estimate if market would go up and trade like that. Because right now you have seen news has already released, but it showed some delayed in our website and also in our trading view fundamental calendar, right? Beautiful. And what's shocking is that today gold has given huge pumps before the end New York session, right? Usually, if you have noticed, yesterday night during the NY session, gold gives a breakout, and next day, when Asia starts, it takes the New York's lows, it takes the liquidity, and again, London sometimes it consolidates, and finally New York we see breakout. But today we are seeing the opposite. Okay, beautiful. Wow, huge dumps in the market. If price reaches this zone, then yeah, we would definitely enter a trade and maybe target this low. And if price keeps on going against us, it goes down and down, there's no point to enter a trade here. We want to keep our stop loss tight and a good risk management. Okay guys, let me post this trade. Wait, where was it? Yeah, beautiful reaction. So prices finally broke below our key area, and right now we are seeing sellers taking control. So I think price would definitely continue lower. Price should continue lower. Beautiful reaction. Beautiful. Nice. 16 pips done. Beautiful. Okay, guys. Beautiful trade. It's dumping more. 20 pips done. Okay. So we took a trade here and also here, and we made profit around $310. Beautiful. Great. If you're in this trade, you can secure your partial, right? Or you can trail your stop loss. Beautiful. Prelim GDP 3.3%. Okay. We made very good profits, everyone. In our 25K account, we made $300, which is 1%. Which is more than 1%, right? Great. Okay, guys, I think I would be ending the stream now. I would keep you guys updated in this specific trade in our Telegram group. If you haven't joined, the link is in our description. And I would do another session tonight. I would go live, right? Late night stream. Okay, see you guys.